welcome to the latest episode of Alley PPC Academy. My name is Vukashin and I'm the attendant here at Alley. This video will cover the Amazon Ads advertising reports and all their advantages. If you have questions or suggestions for future topics, write to us in the comment section below. Stay up to date with the latest videos and practical tips by subscribing to our channel. Besides YouTube, you can follow us on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Instagram and TikTok. Also, don't forget to join our Facebook groups, Mastermind of Amazon PPC and DSP, and Master TikTok Ads, Ask the Experts. Also, welcome to my assistant Mila. So let's begin. Did you know that Amazon provides 24 different report types just for advertising? If you run sponsor ads on Amazon, you're probably familiar with Amazon Ads reports. You also know that access to this data doesn't last forever, since these reports will typically let you go back 60 or 90 days, depends on their type. Keep watching and discover the most important ones. First, search term report, both in sponsor products and sponsor brands. This report shows search terms entered by shoppers searching on Amazon, resulting in at least one click. Use this report to identify high-performing customer search that can be added as new keyword or underperforming search terms as negative keywords to help increase campaign performance. Second, advertised product report, both in sponsor products and sponsor brands. This report shows sales and performance metrics for advertised products in campaigns with at least one impression. You should use this report to identify trends and overall performance over time for promoted titles and their various formats. I would like to emphasize that various reports are eligible for all three campaign types, such as the campaign report. This report shows campaign performance over time for each campaign type. Another report could cover all campaign types is targeting or keyword report. It's called targeting for sponsor products and sponsor display, and keyword report for sponsor brands campaigns. The report is beneficial for overviewing all current targeting in the account and its performance, such as sales, ACOS, spend, and many other PPC metrics. Brand new advertising reports that have shown up recently and are very helpful for campaign optimization and overview of the account performance are search term impression share and budget report. We highly recommend that you test these reports as well. The search term impression share report shows your share of ad impressions captured for sponsor brands or sponsor products search terms. Use this report to track the impact of bidding and targeting and budget changes on your share of impressions. Another new report is the budget report. It's utmost importance to avoid out-of-budget situations and scale up your account. If any of your campaigns are performing well in terms of sales and ACOS, you don't want to limit the spend on those campaigns, as they are your money generators. With this report, you identify campaigns with good ACOS and filter those that had an average time budget less than 100%. You would ideally want to increase the budgets on these. I have covered most of advertising reports that are must in your ad account management. We use them in our everyday work at Alley, and I assure you that these reports are super helpful. That would be all for today. Thank you for your time and your attention. Like and share this video, leave us comments, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on other social media platforms. See you next time. Bye. From Mila also. Bye.